Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. The most painful tragedy in UPSC Prelims is not failing in GS, but rather scoring a very decent score in GS, however, failing because of the qualifying paper, that is CSAT. Now, why does this happen? It happened for multiple reasons. One, many of the students who have their science background think that CSAT can be easily managed without doing much studies. Now, they consider it as a side hustle, and at the end will not be able to put the effort that exactly needed to clear the prelims. Point number two, the quant and logical reasoning are seen more as a bunch of formulas or giving more weightage to certain topic where you feel comfortable and neglecting those topics where you are not comfortable. Now with this, when the UPSC demands logic rather than mere formulas, the formulas vanishes in the examination hall and you end up not scoring very well. Point number three, that is with respect to the reading comprehension, which is a low-hanging fruit actually. However, many think that reading comprehension is more of a gambling. They are able to eliminate one or two options, then they stuck with other two options, finally making the wrong choices and losing the game. Now, when I know this, many of the students have spoken about how the CSAT is becoming a hurdle in their UPSC journey. So now what is the solution? Keeping this in mind, I had decided a unique program called Conquer CSAT, where we have built the basics, understood the underlying concept, and then mastered the difficult topics. Second, we have discussed the reading comprehension in a logical and structured manner, how your existing knowledge can be applied, and then getting into the right answer and reading the examiner's mindset. Now this course had been done for almost 60 to 70 hours, excluding logical reasoning, right? And it has yielded a very good result for many of the students. Now, in this gesture, when students are failing because of CSAT, even though they are good at GS, this should not happen. This should not be a roadblock. So, keeping that in mind, I am availing this Conquer CSAT entire classes free of cost for our PGP students. I had promised you one thing, that I will cover entire CSAT classes on YouTube, but having the classes for a very long duration within YouTube itself is a difficult job. So, what I had done? I have covered all of these classes in the classroom environment, and that has been uploaded in your PGP portal free of cost. However, when I say it is a free classes, does not mean that quality is compromised. We have gone in depth and discussed. Not only that, the last 10 years PYQs have been discussed after each chapter so that you understand what exactly that UPSC is required. So I hope you will make best use of it and make sure that CSAT is no more a roadblock in your preparation. You conquer the fear, conquer CSAT. Now, many of you have joined the Conquer CSAT program alone. Right? For them, we are going to refund the amount that you have paid. However, those who have taken it in bundle along with GS, don't worry. I will be conducting more number of tests to you, more number of sessions to you, so that whatever that I'm going to free will not affect you in any ways. All right. So I hope you will make best use of it and come out with the flying colors. Thank you.